I walked in.
He's not there. He's probably like, shit, call the police. Just hanging. Didn't you have dinner with your mum? I think
yeah, 2 days ago.
I just learned this morning.
Oh my god! I won't be able to tell you that.
Did you hear that?
I actually had a vision.
No.
I actually had a thought, not that you'd be in the kitchen, but that you might just come home. I thought about it.
Well, she's been in the lounge room as well.
Been drinking dad's beers.
I can't believe it. And what are you doing? How
You said shit.
You screamed.
You said fuck.
That was a really good reaction. That was a really good reaction. Yeah, probably reached him to go and check me. Look, it's
So how
exactly
does this bracelet?
Stop it. Okay. How do I...
like shit, my wife is dying.